When every square inch of your floor space costs money, you can't afford to farm horizontally. The future is vertical. But while the world focuses on lettuce and kale, a new battle is brewing over the most efficient way to produce protein in total darkness or urban cages. Today, we crown the king of vertical livestock. In one corner, the Japanese Coturnix quail, a tiny bird with massive speed. In the other, the New Zealand rabbit, a heritage powerhouse of lean meat. Both can thrive indoors, but only one can maximize your cubic volume.
Let's dive into the D there. Let's talk about the quail. They are the ultimate volume play. Because a quail only stands a few inches tall, you can stack them like high-speed servers in a data center. In a standard 8-foot ceiling, you can comfortably fit 8 tiers of birds. They are biological machines. They hatch, grow, and reach your dinner plate in just 6 weeks. But the real secret to their king status is the egg. At 6 weeks, they start producing high-value speckled eggs every single day. While you're waiting for meat, the eggs pay your electricity bill. It's constant liquid cash flow. But don't count the rabbit out. If quail is about velocity, the rabbit is about sheer force. You can't stack them as high, usually only 3 tiers, because they need head clearance to move. However, one rabbit produces more edible meat than a dozen quail combined. This is the highest quality protein you can grow. It's virtually cholesterol-free and highly sought after by health-conscious markets. And the vertical benefit doesn't stop at the meat. Their manure is gold. Unlike birds, rabbit waste won't burn your plants. It's a ready-to-use fertilizer that can fuel a secondary vertical crop of worms or microgreens right under their feet. Efficiency, however, comes with a price. Quail are picky eaters. They require high-protein, finely ground feed to hit those 42-day harvest marks. If the supply chain breaks, your growth stops. Rabbits are the survivors. They can turn garden weeds, hay, and kitchen scraps into premium loin. But they require more human time. You have to monitor their temperature. They hate the heat, and their feeding is harder to automate than a simple quail grain silo. One is a factory that runs itself. The other is a craft operation that rewards the diligent farmer. So, who takes the crown? If you are an urban entrepreneur with a small room and a high-end restaurant nearby, quail is your king. The density and the daily egg revenue are simply unbeatable for ROI. But if you are looking for long-term sustainability, lower feed costs, and a circular ecosystem, where waste becomes wealth, the rabbit sits on the throne. Vertical farming isn't just about plants anymore. It's about choosing the right animal to fill the space above your head. The racks are ready. The blueprints are set. Which one will you build? Choose your crown and start farming. See you in the next harvest.